Good evening, guys. Good evening. Welcome to my channel. But it's a B in English with believe. Please, guys, like my videos and subscribe to my channel. So today, thank you. So today I will be doing lesson. We are still in chapter 2. We are still in chapter 2. So today is a curva pericoloso a destra or a sinistra. So look at the lesson we'll be doing today. So this very signal, they are indicating a curve. So the first one, if you look the first signal, the curve is going to the right. So here the arrow is pointing towards it's going to the right. While the second one is pointing to the left. So the first one is curva pericoloso a destra. While the second one is curva pericoloso a sinistra. So let's do the lesson. So look at the curve here. So this is the first one. So this is the curve, a dangerous curve to the right. Then this is the curve, a dangerous curve to the right as well. So let's do the lesson. So don't forget this signal, they are all placed 150 meters before where the danger is, okay? So viene posto di norma a 150 metri dal punto di inizio della curva. So this very signal, they are placed 150 meters from where the starting of the curve is. È pronunciato di strada pericolosa and is announcing a section of the road dangerous, non rettilineo. So a section of the road not straight. Non rettilineo means not straight. Per ridotta visibilità with reduced visibility. Può essere integrato, so it can be integrated da un pannello. So this very signal can be integrated with a panel con la scritta tornante. So this very signal can be integrated with a panel with description with a writing tornante per indicare una curva a raggio particolarmente ridotto. So with the panel it can indicate a radius curve with particularmente ridotto, which is reduced. That is reduced. So this first picture, poi essere integrato con il pannello tornante. So this very signal can be attached with a panel. So look at the panel, this very one. This panel now is not too clear here, it's bright here. So the down panel, the white panel that is under the signal is the writing there is called tornante and it's still mean curve. So poi essere integrato con il pannello tornante. So this signal can be integrated with integration panel that have the writing tornante, curva a raggio ridotto with a radius curve. So vieta is supposed to strada a due così e a doppio senso di circolazione. So this very signal forbids overtaking on the road of two-way circulation. So on a road of two lanes and two-way circulation, strada a due così e a doppio senso di circolazione. So you can't do overtaking, no, because other cars are coming from the other direction. Moderare particolarmente la velocità. So moderate particularly the velocity. Se si circola con il routine. So moderate in particularly the velocity if you are circulating with the spare tires, not the main tires, the spare tires. When they say routine, rota di soccorso mean the spare tires. So if you are circulating with the spare tires, you have to moderate your speed in particularly. That is why they just show the tire here. Then let's still continue. The lesson is still further. They still continue further. Regulare la velocità. So regulate the velocity. Per potersi arrestarsi. So for you to be ready to stop. In caso di un ostacolo, in case of an obstacle. Improviso, in case a sudden obstacle. Improviso means sudden obstacle. In relazione alla visibilità. In relation to the visibility. A raggio della curva in radius to the curve e alla condizione del carico del veicolo and in condition to the loading of the vehicle, the load of the vehicle. Su strada a doppio senso on the road of two-way circulation. E con due solo così with only two lanes. Si deve circolare il più possibile vicino. So you must circulate very close, possibly very close, imagining the destro. So you must circulate very close to the right side of the carriageway, the right side. So that is what the law is saying. Fare particolare attenzione, so pay a particular attention ai veicoli provenienti da senso opposto. Pay a particular attention to vehicles that are coming from the opposite direction. Percorre la curva. So driving on this very curve, con più attenzione. So driving on this very curve, you have to pay attention. Se la strada è bagnata, so you have to pay attention if the road is wet. E viaggiare con andatura particolare lentamente moderare. So you have to move on a particular very slow moderation. We want to moderate the speed. Say si circular con routine ruota di soccorso. So if you are driving with the spare tires, so you have to circulate very slowly, moderate the speed. In corrispondenza della curva è vietato la sosta. So next to the curve, it forbids parking, sosta. La fermata, it forbids stopping, which is fermata as well. La retromarcia, so it forbids reverse as well. L'elevazione di marcia, so it forbids U-turn as well. Elevazione di marcia. Su strada con due corsi è a doppio senso di circolazione. So on a road of two lanes and of two-way circulation. È vietato anche il sorpasso. It forbids also overtaking. So in generally, this curva pericoloso a destra or a sinistra, the dangerous curve to the right or to the left, you can find this very signal 150 meters before where the section of the road that is where they are indicating. And this road non-rectilinear is not straight. It's not straight. It reduces the visibility. So and they can integrate this they can attach an integration panel to this very signal that shows the writing tornante to indicate a radius of the curve. So and this very signal, it forbids overtaking with the two lanes and two-way with only two lanes and of two-way circulation. So you have to moderate particularly the velocity if you are driving with the spare tire, which is ruota di soccorso. So let's go and take some question and answer. I don't want to make the lesson too long. I don't want to take it too long. So let's go and take some question and answer. So our first question. So this one now, look at the signal. The curve is pointing to the right. So this one is curva pericoloso a destra. So a dangerous curve to the right. So just where the arrow is pointing to is the side. So it's the right. This one is the right. Il segnale raffigurato posto su una strada a doppio senso di circolazione impone di portarsi sulla parte sinistra della carreggiata per affrontare meglio la curva. So this question, number one question is il segnale raffigurato, this sign figure, posto su una strada a doppio senso di circolazione. So if it is placed on a road of two-way circulation, impone di portarsi sulla parte sinistra. So it imposes, it obliges us to go to this left side of the carriageway per affrontare meglio la curva, to confront well the curve. No, it's false. It's false. Because if you are circulating on a road of two-way circulation, you don't need to go to the left side, because you are going to the left side, you are occupying the other lane, and it will cause an accident because other vehicles are coming from the other side. So you don't need to go to the sinistra. You need to go close to the side of the right side of the lane where you are, not to the left side. So this one is false. Number two. So look at what this number one question is saying. Just for example, this picture. You know, we have two lanes and this one is two-way circulation. So this red car, what is that first question is saying? This red car need to go to the other left, the second lane, to go to the other second lane, so that they can curve way to curve way inside this very curve. No, it's false. You can't go there because other cars are coming from this other direction. You cause accident. It's false. So let's go back to the next question. Number two. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un obbligo di svuotare a destra. No, this one is false. They say this sign figure is announcing an obligation to turn to the right. No, it's false. Number 3. Il segnale raffigurato è posto di norma a 5 metri dall'inizio della curva. No, it's false. So it said this sign figure is placed the normal 5 meters from where the curve starts. No, it's false. It's always placed 150 meters before you will see where the curve starts, not 5 meters. Number 4. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia una curva a sinistra. No, it's false. So this is the reason why it said this sign figure is announcing a curve to the left. No, it's false. Look at it very well. The curve is going to the right, not the left. Use your hand to do it, your right hand to do it. You will see the curve is pointing to the right. So you have to look very well and practice where the arrow is pointing to. Because if you don't know where the arrow is pointing to, you will get it wrong. So the question is saying this very curve is pointing to the left. No, this one is pointing to the right. Number 5. Il segnale raffigurato può essere integrato con pannello con la scritta tornante. So this number 5 says this signal can be integrated with a panel con la scritta tornante with inscription tornante, and it's true. Number 6. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada pericoloso per ridotta visibilità. Yeah, it's true. It says this sign figure is announcing a section of the road that is dangerous with the that can reduce the visibility, and it's true. Number 7. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada in salita. It's false. So this sign figure is announcing a section of the road in climbing. No, it's false. Salita is false. Number 8. Il segnale raffigurato è un segnale di prescrizione. No, it's false. It said this sign figure è un segnale di prescrizione. Is a prescription signal. No, it's false. This signal is a dangerous signal, not prescription. Number 9. Il segnale raffigurato è posto di norma a 150 metri dal punto di inizio della curva. Yes, it's true. So this sign figure is placed 150 meters from the point where the curve starts, and it's true. Number 10. Il segnale raffigurato richiede di moderare la velocità. Yes, it's true. So this sign figure richiede di moderare la velocità is asking to moderate the velocity, and it's true. So number 11. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un cambio di corsia. So this number 11 said this sign figure is announcing un cambio di corsia. It's announcing a changing to the lane. No, it's false. Not changing. Number 12. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada pericolosa. So this number 12 is saying this sign figure is announcing un tratto di strada, a section of the road dangerous, pericolosa. Is true. Number 13. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia una curva pericolosa a destra. Yes, very, very true. So the number 13 is this sign figure pronuncia is announcing una curva, is announcing a curve pericolosa a destra, a curve dangerous to the right, and it's true. Number 14. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia una serie di curve pericolose di cui la prima a destra. No, it's false. This one not series of curves, just one. Series mean plenty. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia this sign figure una serie di curve. So announcing series of curves pericoloso, dangerous, in di cui la prima a destra, so first to the right. No, this one is not series. It's announcing only one curve, not series, not plenty. Series is many. So let's correct it and see. So as you can see, everything is clear, guys. Everything is clear. So take the lesson, the videos slow and steady. Understand before you continue, okay? So let me see if there's another question. So there's another question on the same curve. Comportamento da tenere in presenza di segnali di curva. So the behavior we need to keep when we are confronting this very signal. Number 1. In presenza di segnale raffigurato posto su strada a doppio senso di circolazione e con due solo così si deve circolare più possibile vicino a margine destro. Yes. So in the presence of this sign figure, posto su strada a doppio senso di circolazione. So this signal, if it is placed on a road of two-way circulation e con due solo così with only two lanes, si deve circolare più possibile. So you need to circulate possibly vicino a margine destro. So you must circulate possibly close to the side, the right hand side, the side, and it's true. And it's true. Number one is true. Number two, il segnalerà figurato pronuncia un tratto di strada in cui è consentito effettuare manovra di retromarcia. No, it's false. So this sign figure is an il segnalerà figurato, this sign figure pronuncia un tratto di strada is an section of the road in cui è consentito, in which it allows effettuare manovra di retromarcia, that allows a reverse. Retromarcia means reverse. No, it's false. You can't do reverse on curve. Number three, il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada in cui è consentito la fermata ma non la sosta. No, it's false. You can't do both of them. You say this sign figure is announcing a section of the road in which allows consentita la fermata, which allows stopping, ma non la sosta, but not parking. It forbids the two. False. Number four, in presenza di segnale raffigurato si deve viaggiare ad andatura particolare moderata se si circola con il routine ruta di soccorso. Yes, it's true. So, in the presence of this sign figure, si deve viaggiare. So, in the presence of this sign figure, you must travel ad andatura particolarmente moderata. So, you must travel with a particular movement moderate, that is moderated. Se si circola con il routine. So, if you are circulating with the spare tires, so you must proceed with a particular moderate speed, so that, because if you are using these very spare tires, you have to go very slowly, and it's true. Number five, il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada in cui è necessario percorrere la curva con più attenzione se la strada è bagnata. Yeah, it's true. So, in the presence of this sign figure, this sign figure pronuncia un tratto di strada is announcing the section of the road in cui è necessario percorrere, so in which is necessary to travel la curva con più attenzione, to travel or drive or transit on the curve più attenzione, with attention se la strada è bagnata, if the road is wet. And it's true. You have to pay a particular attention if the road is wet. Number 6. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada in cui non è consentito il sorpasso se la strada è a doppio senso di circolazione. È con due solo così. Yes, it's true. So, il segnale raffigurato, this sign figure, pronuncia un tratto di strada is announcing a section of the road in cui non è consentito, in which is not allowed, il sorpasso is not allowed overtaking. Se la carreggiata, if the carriageway è a doppio senso di circolazione, if the carriageway is two-way circulation, è con due solo così, and it's with only two lanes, so you can't do overtaking, and it's true. Number 7. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada in cui è consentito sorpassare il motociclo, anche i vedono la corsia opposta. No, it's false. So, he said this sign figure pronuncia is announcing un tratto di strada, a section of the road in cui è consentito, which allowed sorpassare, which allowed overtaking in motocicli. So this it allowed overtaking on motorbike. Anche invading la corsia opposta. Even also if you invade the other lanes. No, it's false. You can't do that. That's an accident. So just because there's a motorbike, so you can do overtaking. This question is say you can do overtaking on the motorbike, and also if you invade the other lane, no problem. No, it's false. You can't do that. It will cause accident. Number 8. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada a due corsie è a doppio senso di circolazione in cui è consentito sorpassare i motocicli senza superare la striscia bianca continua. So this number 8 is saying il segnale raffigurato, this sign figure pronuncia un tratto di strada is announcing a section of the road è a due così a doppio senso di circolazione with two lanes and two-way circulation in cui è consentito sorpassare, which allows overtaking in motocicli, overtaking on, you can do overtaking on motorcycle senza superare la striscia bianca continua. So you can do overtaking on motorbike without crossing the continuous line. So you can do overtaking on overtaking on motorbike, so without crossing the continuous line. This question is saying so. No, it's false. You can't do overtaking on motorbike. You can't do overtaking on motorbike, because if you do that with this very road of two-way circulation, if you are about to do overtaking on the motorbike, you will now move close to the middle, close to the line. So your vehicle will be very close to the line. So doing that, if other cars are coming from the other direction, an accident might happen, because the law said if you are about to pass the curve, move very close to the right hand side of the carriageway, of the lane, of the right lane. Move to the right hand side, very close to the right hand side if you are about to pass the curve, so that when the other cars are coming, there will be no accident. So you can't do overtaking, not because of motorbike, no, it's false. Number 9, il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada in cui è necessario regolare la velocità in relazione alla visibilità e al raggio della curva. Yes, it's true. So in this presence of this sign figure, in cui è necessario, so it's necessary regulare la velocità, it's necessary to regulate the velocity in relazione alla visibilità, in relation to the visibility e al raggio della curva, and to the radius of the curve. So we have to reduce the velocity according to the visibility and to the radius of the curve, and it's true. Number 10. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada in cui è consentito effettuare l'invenzione di marcia. No, you can't do that. So the number 10 say this sign figure is announcing a section of the road in cui è consentito effettuare l'invenzione di marcia. So it said this sign figure is announcing a section of the road that allows effettuare l'invenzione di marcia, that allows a U-turn. No, it's false. You can't do U-turn on curves. Number 11. Il presente di segnale raffigurato si deve circolare il più possibile vicino alla striscia bianca che sopra i sensi di marcia. So this number 11 say in the presence of this sign figure si deve circolare, so we must circulate il più possibile vicino, we must circulate more possibly vicino, close to alla striscia bianca, close to the white lines che separa i sensi di marcia. So we have to circulate close to the white lines that separate the two lanes. No, it's false. You can't do that. You will cause accident. So if you circulate, because the law said if you are about to pass the curve, because this place is very dangerous, very, very dangerous, it limits the visibility. So for this very reason, the law said move close to the right hand side, very close to the right hand side. So when you are passing, when other cars are even coming from the opposite direction, there will be no accident. But this very question has said move close to the white lines that divide the two directional movement, that divide the lanes. No, you can't do that. It's false. Number 12. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada in cui è consentito sorpassare il motociclo anche soprando di poco la striscia bianca continua. No, it's false. So this number 12 said il segnale raffigurato, this sign figure pronuncia un tratto di strada is announcing the section of the road in cui è consentito sorpassare, in which allowed overtaking in motociclo, overtaking on motorbikes, anche superando, even overpassing the poco, even overpassing very small la striscia bianca continua, overpassing the white continuous line very small. No, it's false. You can't do that. You will cause an accident. So let's correct it and see. So as you can see, everything is very, very clear, guys. Everything is very, very clear. Everything is very, very clear. So guys, take the video slow and steady. Understand before you continue. Understand before you continue. Okay. So let me check if there's another question. So there is another question. So this one now is curva pericolosa a sinistra. Look at the arrow. The curve is pointing to the left now. This one is to the left. So let's take the question. I don't want to make the video too long. So il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada non rettilineo che limita la visibilità. So it said this sign figure is announcing a section of the road non rettilineo, that is not straight, che limita la visibilità, that limit the visibility, and it's true. Number 2, il segnale raffigurato impone obbligo di mantenere la sinistra. So this very question, he said, is this sign figure impone obbligo di mantenere la sinistra. So it obliges us mandatory to maintain to the left. No, it's false. This one is false. This one is just dangerous curve to the left. It does not say And you know, don't say he oblige us to do anything like this. No, it's false. Number 3. It's nearly raffigurato pronuncia di norma accento cinquanta metri una curva pericolosa. So he said this sign figure is announcing normally 150 meters. At 150 meters, there is a dangerous curve. Yes, and it's true. Number 4. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada pericolosa per alta visibilità. And it's true. Say this sign figure is announcing a section of the road dangerous that reduce the visibility, and it's true. Number 5. Il segnale raffigurato impone di circolare il più vicino possibile al centro della strada. This one is false. Accident. So he said this sign figure, it obliges us to circulate il più vicino possibile al centro della strada. So it is obliging us to circulate possibly to the center of the road. No, you can't do that. Accident will happen. Number 6. Sorry guys. Number 6. La figura rappresentata un divieto di svolta a sinistra. No, this one is not talking about any divieto. We are talking about curva here. It said number 6 say this signal is representing a forbidding of turning to the left. No, it's false. We're not talking about any forbidding to turn to the left. So we're just talking about curva pericolosa a sinistra. Number 7. Il segnale raffigurato richiede di moderare la velocità per potersi arrestarsi in caso di un ostacolo improvviso. Yes, it's true. So this sign figure is asking us to moderate the velocity per poter arrestarsi. So to get ready to stop in caso di un ostacolo, in case of an obstacle improvviso, in case of a sudden obstacle. So we have to moderate. It's asking us to moderate the speed and get ready to stop in case of and there is an immediate or sudden obstacle, and it's true. Number 8. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia una curva pericolosa a sinistra. Yes, this sign figure is announcing a dangerous curve to the left, and it's true. Number 9. La figura rappresenta un segnale di pericolo. Yes, it's true. This signal is representing a dangerous signal, and it's true. Number 10. Il segnale raffigurato indica una deviazione per cantiere di lavoro. No, this one is false. It said this signal is indicating a deviation because of construction site work in progress. No, it's false. Number 11. La figura rappresenta un segnale di prescrizione. No, it's false. It said this sign figure is representing a prescription signal. No, it's false. Number 12. La figura rappresenta il segnale di obbligo. No, it's false. It said this signal is an obligation signal. No, this one is segnale di pericolo. Number 13. Il segnale raffigurato indica una circolazione rotatoria. No, it's false. It said this signal is indicating a circulation of runabout rotatoria. No, it's false. Number 14. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un ostacolo da aggirare a sinistra. No, it's false. It said this signal is announcing an obstacle that will make us turn to the left. No, it's false. Number 15. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada che curva a sinistra con limitata visibilità. Yes. So it said this sign figure is announcing a section of the road with curve to the left and with a limited visibility, and it's true. So let's correct it and see, guys. So guys, as you can see, everything is very clear here. Everything is very clear. So just try to take the video slow and steady, understand before you continue. Let me go to the next one. So this is the next question. Let me load the lights more. The light is disturbing me now. It's too high. So this is the next one. The behavior we need to keep while confronting this dangerous curve to the left. So I don't want to make the video too long. Our first question. Il presenta del segnale raffigurato è necessario percorrere la curva con più attenzione se la strada è bagnata. Yes. So in the presence of this sign figure, it is necessary to travel or to drive on this very curve with more attention if the road is wet. Bagnata, yes, it's true. Number 2, il presenta del segnale raffigurato è consentita la fermata ma non la sosta. So this question is saying, in the presence of this sign figure, è consentita is allowed fermata, is allowed stopping ma non la sosta, but it's allowed stopping but not parking. No, it's false. Both of them is forbidden. Number 3, in presenza di segnale raffigurato non è consentito il transito di veicolo con il routine di soccorso. No, it's false. So in the presence of this sign figure, non è consentito, is not allowed. Il transito di veicolo is not allowed the vehicle con il routine di soccorso. So he said this signal does not allow the transit of the vehicle with the spare tires. No, it's false. Spare tires they can transit. Number 4. In presenza di segnale raffigurato è consentito effettuare l'invenzione di marcia. No, it's false. He said in the presence of this sign figure, it is allowed to do U-turn. No, it's false. Number 5. In presenza di segnale raffigurato si deve viaggiare ad andatura particolare moderata se si circola con il routine di soccorso. Yes. So in the presence of this sign figure, si deve viaggiare, so we must travel ad andatura particolarmente moderata with a particularly moderated speed. Se si circola con il routine, so if we are circulating with the spare tires, ruta di soccorso is the spare tire, so we have to travel or drive with a particular moderate velocity if we are driving with the spare tire. Number 6. In presenza di segnale raffigurato, non è consentito sorpassare altri veicoli su una carreggiata a doppio senso di circolazione con 2 solo corsi. Yes, it's true. So in the presence of this sign figure, non è consentito, it's not allowed sorpassare, it's not allowed to overtake altri veicoli, other vehicle su una carreggiata on a carriageway a doppio senso di circolazione with a two-way circulation con 2 solo corsi with only 2 lanes. So you can't do overtaking. Non è consentito, it's not allowed. Number 7. In presenza di segnale raffigurato su strada a senso unico di circolazione si deve marciare a più possibile vicino al margine destro della carreggiata. Yeah, it's true. So in the presence of this sign figure, su strada a senso unico. Sorry. In presenza di segnale raffigurato. So in the presence of this sign figure, su strada a senso unico. So on a road of one-way circulation, si deve marciare. So we must travel a più possibile vicino. So we must travel very close. We must travel possibly close. I imagine this to the carriageway. I'm possible very close to the right hand side of the carriageway. No, it's false. This one is a senso unico, not a doppio senso. This one is senso unico. Senso unico, one way circulation. No car is coming from the opposite direction, so you can. We must not travel. We must not circulate close to the right hand side because this one is one-way circulation. Other cars are not coming, so we can even do overtaking. No, this one is not like that. It's false. Number 8. In presenza di segnale raffigurato su una strada a doppio senso di circolazione con 2 solo corsi si deve circolare al più possibile vicino al margine destro della carreggiata. This one is true. This number 8 is true. So in the presence of this sign figure, su una strada a doppio senso di circolazione on a road of two-way circulation con 2 solo corsi with only 2 lanes, si deve circolare a più vicino al margine destro. So you must circulate possibly very close to the right hand side. Yes, it's true. On the 2 ways, yes. One way, no. Number 9. In presenza di segnale raffigurato è consentito effettuare manovra di retromarcia. No, it's false. So in the presence of this sign figure, è consentito, it is allowed effettuare manovra di retromarcia. It's allowed to do reverse. No, it's false. You can't do that. Number 10. In presenza di segnale raffigurato è necessario regolare la velocità alla relazione alla visibilità e al regio della curva. Yes, it's true. So in the presence of this sign figure, it is necessary to regulate the velocity in relation to the visibility of the curve. Yes, it's true. Number 11. In presenza di segnale raffigurato è consentito su strada a doppio senso di circolazione a 2 corsi sorpassare il motorino senza vedere la corsia opposta. So in the presence of this sign figure, è consentito, is allowed su strada a doppio senso di circolazione on a road of two-way circulation è a 2 corsi with 2 lanes sorpassare il motociclo, so you can do overtaking on motorbike senza vedere la corsia opposta, so without invading the other opposite lane. No, it's false. It's false. You can't do that. If you are about to do overtaking on motorbike without going to the other lane, you must move to the center. So doing that, if other cars are coming from the other lanes, there will be an accident. So don't do that. So let's correct it. So everything is clear, guys. Everything is clear. Take the videos, do and steady, understand before you continue. So let me check so our next lesson will be this one. Our next lesson will be this one, which is a doppio curva pericoloso primo a destra. So double dangerous curve first to the right will be our next lesson, which is the lesson 3. So I just finished lesson 2. lesson 3. I just finished lesson 3. So next lesson will be lesson 4, this one. So guys, please don't forget, subscribe to my channel, share my videos and like my videos as well. So see you in the next lesson. Bye.